Think your decades of travel experience make you bulletproof against costly mistakes? Think again. Even the most seasoned travelers over 55 are walking into expensive traps that could derail their dream vacation in 2025. I'm about to reveal 10 critical mistakes that are costing seniors thousands of dollars and precious vacation days, starting with the one mistake that could leave you stranded before you even board your plane. If you're tired of travel surprises eating into your retirement savings, you'll want to stick around for every single tip. Let's dive in. Mistake number 10. Assuming travel insurance is just another sales pitch. Here's the harsh reality seniors face in 2025. Medical emergencies don't take vacations, and your domestic health insurance probably won't cover you overseas. That chest pain in Paris could cost you $50,000 without proper coverage. But seniors often skip travel insurance or buy the cheapest option that covers nothing meaningful. Smart travelers understand that comprehensive travel insurance isn't an expense, it's protection for your entire investment. Mistake number 9. Booking accommodations based on photos alone. Those stunning hotel pictures hide a multitude of problems. That ocean view room might overlook a construction site. The charming boutique hotel could be next to the loudest nightclub in town. Seniors especially need to verify accessibility features, elevator access, and bathroom safety features that photos conveniently don't show. Always read recent reviews from travelers your age and contact hotels directly to confirm specific amenities you'll need. Mistake number 8. Overpacking like you're moving permanently. Seniors tend to pack for every possible scenario, turning a simple trip into a logistical nightmare. That heavy suitcase becomes your enemy when you're navigating cobblestone streets or climbing hotel stairs. Modern travel requires strategic packing. Choose versatile clothing that mixes and matches. Pack 1 week's worth of clothes regardless of trip length and plan to do laundry. Your back will thank you, and you'll have room for souvenirs. Mistake number 7. Ignoring prescription medication rules when traveling internationally. This mistake can end your trip before it starts. Different countries have strict regulations about importing medications, even prescription drugs that are perfectly legal at home. Some common medications are completely banned in certain destinations. Seniors taking multiple medications must research each country's rules, carry proper documentation, and pack medications in original containers. Always bring extra supplies in case of travel delays. Mistake number 6. Relying on outdated technology instead of modern travel apps. Many seniors stick to printed confirmations and paper maps while missing incredible digital tools that could save them time and money. Modern travel apps provide real-time flight updates, translate foreign languages instantly, help you navigate public transportation, and even alert you to local scams. Embrace technology as your travel assistant, not your enemy. Mistake number 5. Booking the cheapest flights without considering the total cost. That bargain airfare often comes with hidden expenses that make it the most expensive option. Ultra-low-cost carriers charge extra for everything from seat selection to carry-on bags. When you add up all the fees, plus the inconvenience of multiple connections and poor customer service, that cheap ticket becomes a costly nightmare. Calculate the true total cost including baggage fees, seat selection, and meal costs before booking. Now, before I reveal the 5 most expensive mistakes that could completely ruin your 2025 travel plans, I need your help. If these tips are already saving you money and stress, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Your support helps me continue sharing these insider secrets that the travel industry doesn't want you to know. Trust me, the next 5 mistakes could cost you thousands if you're not careful. Mistake number 4. Failing to notify your bank and credit card companies about travel plans. Picture this scenario. You arrive at your dream destination, try to pay for dinner, and your card gets declined. Your bank's fraud protection has kicked in, assuming someone stole your card in a foreign country. Now you're stranded with no access to your money until you can reach customer service during business hours. This simple oversight has ruined countless vacations. Always notify financial institutions about your travel dates and destinations before leaving home. Mistake number 3, exchanging money at airports or tourist areas. Airport currency exchanges and hotel concierges offer terrible exchange rates that can cost you hundreds of dollars on a single trip. Tourist-focused exchange services prey on travelers who need cash immediately. The smart move is using ATMs at your destination, which typically offer better rates than any exchange service. Just make sure your bank reimburses international ATM fees, or find a bank that does before you travel. Mistake number 2, booking tours and activities through your hotel concierge. While hotel staff seem helpful, they're often working on commission with specific tour companies that may not offer the best value or experience. Those convenient hotel-booked tours usually cost twice as much as booking directly with tour operators or through reputable travel platforms. Do your research beforehand and book activities independently. You'll save money and often get better experiences. The number 1 mistake that's costing seniors the most money in 2025, traveling during peak season without considering alternatives. Everyone wants to visit Europe in summer or cruise during school holidays, but peak season pricing can double or triple your costs. Seniors have the ultimate advantage of flexible schedules, yet many still book during the most expensive times. Consider shoulder seasons, when weather is still pleasant, but crowds and prices are dramatically lower. That same Mediterranean cruise that costs $4,000 per person in July might cost $1,500 in October, with better weather and fewer crowds. The travel industry profits billions from these common mistakes, but armed with this knowledge, you can travel smarter and keep more money in your pocket. Your retirement savings deserve better than being wasted on preventable travel errors. Which of these mistakes have you made? Share your experiences in the comments below and let me know which tip will save you the most on your next adventure. Don't forget to check out my next video about essential travel apps every senior should download before their 2025 trips. I'll show you exactly which apps can save you hundreds of dollars and make traveling infinitely easier. Remember, smart travel isn't about spending more money, it's about spending money wisely. Safe travels, and thanks for trusting me with your travel education. Your next adventure awaits, and now you're prepared to make it both memorable and affordable.